This is Fatima Yasmin, Secretary, Economic Relations Division, Ministry of Finance, Government of Bangladesh. Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening. Since we have participants from many different time zones, let me say good afternoon and good morning to you as well. It is my distinct privilege to present the reports of the V20 senior officials meetings in the 7th Ministerial Dialogue of V20. The V20 senior officials convened multiple times in 2020 and 2021 and have been pleased with the progress achieved so far. We have agreed on a body of documents which we respectfully submit herewith to the ministerial body this evening. Together with the report, the documents have been circulated ahead of today's meeting. Allow me to provide a brief of these documents before you. First and foremost, the draft decision we are proposing for your consideration today, encompassing the key business terms of the V20 under consideration. Second, the written report of senior officials meetings of 16 December 2020 and 23rd March 2021 and its annexes towards the continual development of the V20 initiatives. The updated V20 work plan, including the initiative of the accelerated financing mechanism to pare down the cost of capital and the sustainable insurance facility for improved financial protection, is the third one. The fourth, the V20 Vision 2025 with 7 specific action areas for the most vulnerable economies in securing prosperity while responding to climate change. Fifth, the new Climate Prosperity Program and an example of the first of this initiative, the Mujib Climate Prosperity Plan, named in the honor of the father of the nation of Bangladesh. Sixth, the V20 Climate Prosperity Recovery Agenda to ensure systematic consideration of climate risk and in parallel for exploring special financial support options for climate frontliner economies. Seventh, the new CVF and V20 Joint Multi-Donor Fund to support the V20 work plan, managed by the United Nations along with the Global Center on Adaptation, host of the CVF and V20 Secretariat. Eighth, the communique of the meeting highlighting joint concerns, collaborations, and actions of the V20 to be made public. Ninth, the summary of the previous G20, V20 meetings in light of the future planned engagement of the V20 with the major economies. Finally, it is expected that the V20 would reconvene in April 2022 for the 8th V20 Ministerial Dialogue, while members may collaborate actively throughout the year. With that, Honorable Chair, this represents in short the outcome of the work of the V20 senior officials. I thank distinguished ministers, delegates, and all of you for your kind attention and for your due consideration of our report, the draft decision, and related items already circulated for adoption today. I would now like to introduce Dr. Nahid Rashid from the Economic Relations Division to moderate today's ministerial. It's been my real pleasure to have been able to speak to this august audience, and I thank you all once again. Over to you, Nahid.